All right, guys, we are back here at the house. Let's take a peek at what's been done. So, as you can see, kitchen cabinets have been installed. Looks really good. Let's take a peek around. So, got the fridge that's gonna go over there. And stove, microwave right here. Back up a little bit. Dishwasher will go right there. Kitchen sink there. You'll be able to look out your front window. And it's taped up right now, but literally, if you look out this front window, you'll be looking up at Mount Olympus. I don't know if you could see that through that crack, but you'll have a beautiful view of Mount Olympus right out your front window. So let me back up here a little bit, give you a different point of view. Front door, dishwasher, sink, Mount Olympus, stove, microwave, and come around here, fridge right there, location. And here's what's really cool too. We've put in a huge island right here, and gonna have a nice countertop that'll come out a little bit, 8 inches out, so that one can sit here. You could easily fit 4 or 5 people right here to eat a meal, so you can basically enjoy dinner right here in the kitchen. You can see the fireplace is gone. We've framed a new wall there where we're going to be able to put in a bracket to hang a television there, smart TV. And let's take a peek around. So let me come into the bathroom, and you could see the bathroom has been closed off now. So we now officially have 2 separate bathrooms, where this was a hallway and unutilized space in the bathroom before. Now we've made it instead of it being a hallway, we've made it a second bath. I've got the tile in the tub, which looks really cool. And let's see, it's a little dark in here because there's no outlets in here yet, just this portable light fixture that you can use to do some work. Had the shelf cut in, had some round tile put in there, and then we'll frame, or not frame, but we'll put more tile in around the casing right there. So place for your soap, shampoo bottles. Let's kind of back away a little bit, kind of give you more of a full view of what's going on in here. Okay, now we'll go into the master. And now we have a legitimate master suite. So, come in here, toilet location's gonna be going there. And the tub, same thing in here. You could see we put in a little shelf for soap and shampoo. I've got the round tile in there just to give it a little texture, just to make it look a little bit different. And kind of back up right here just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. I'm going to come stand where the toilet is, and you can see our double vanities. This only had a single vanity, and now we've been able to make it a his and her sink double vanity, which will be really nice. And of course the wall is closed off right here. So let's go take a look. So I would say the major things are, obviously, we've got the kitchen cabinets all put in, which is really, really great. Countertops are on their way. Actually, we've already ordered those, so those should be here in a couple of weeks. Actually, no. We should be getting that, I think he said next week. So, yeah, actually, not in a couple of weeks. We're going to be getting that installed next week. So I'm going to come over here. You can see the fireplace is officially gone. It has opened up the space right here dramatically, and we framed the wall right there so that we're going to be able to hang, as heavy as the TV that we need. This framing was really, really strong, so that we can basically not have to worry about a television falling down. And let's go take a peek downstairs. But this right here is so nice to just have that opened up. Again, there's access to the kitchen on that side. We've already also ordered the handrail. They came and measured, and that should be a couple weeks. The countertops are only going to take a week from the time that we ordered them, which was, I believe, yesterday. The handrail, however, is going to be a couple weeks. And you can see down here, we've got the fireplace primarily almost gone. And we were originally just going to paint this brick, but now we've decided just to remove it all. So what we'll do is we'll probably frame like we did upstairs of the fireplace, so that we can put in the TV in here as well and frame a nice strong television wall, entertainment system wall. Okay, so now the laundry room has been framed. Let's do a quick video in here. And so we are officially framed all the way around. And you can see we've got the plumbing. There is the original plumbing for the refrigerator, so that we can put a fridge in here and make ice and water, and not that we'll come down here to get water, but basically a second fridge in the basement. So when we go to Costco, when somebody goes to Costco, they have all those groceries. But what will be nice is we'll hook up we decided to plumb the fridge as well, not just to store food and beverages, but to also make ice. So if one wanted to entertain, they have a secondary fridge down here that can also be producing ice, which would be really nice for parties and get-togethers and gatherings. So decided to plumb something for a fridge. And we're actually the reason for that blue plumbing tube right there is we're originally going to put the fridge in this corner right here, but now we're going to actually move the fridge to that corner. So we needed to have it travel over there. And I believe that's it. There's like we talked about, 2 hookups right there for 2 washing machines, which I think is really cool for these higher end homes. Nobody likes to do laundry, so if you could do 2 loads at the same time and get your laundry done, why not? And let's see, I think there's not a whole lot to show here that's different from last week. I think, though, primarily the major advances, I'm going to say, are the bathrooms being closed off, being tiled, and drywalled. And of course the kitchen having the cabinets put in, again, one more time. And of course the fireplace being removed. It actually makes this space feel so much bigger. I mean, we have a lot of stuff in here right now, but having that 2 feet of brick taken out really just opens it up a lot more. So on that note, we are done here today. We will be back again to film the progress.